Hi, in today's video I just want to show you the gifts that I'm sending out to all the people that shopped with me through my Stampin' Up shop in July. Now by the time you get to see this video, everybody will have received their gifts. But I also want to explain how the gifts come about, because the gifts I'm able to send are based on customers that use my host code when they shop with me through my Stampin' Up shop. Now at the beginning of every month, generally on the 1st of every month, I publish a host code on my applelover53.co.uk website. It's also posted on my Stampin' Up online shop homepage, and I also post it on my Facebook Apple Lover 53 business page. And basically it's a number, it's a code, and anybody that shops with me through my Stampin' Up shop in that month, if they use the code and apply it at checkout when they're checking out through my shop, all those orders that are placed within that given month and that use the host code enable me to earn rewards. And once it gets to the end of the month, I close off the host code and I can see how many people used the code. And as I say, if all their orders collectively come to more than £150, not including postage and packing, I'm able to claim rewards. It's a bit like when you shop at the supermarket and you swipe your loyalty card. You kind of earn loyalty points, and depending on the value of the collective orders determines how many rewards I'm able to earn. So I'm not a big Stampin' Up demo. I don't have hundreds and hundreds of customers a month. I can't give away a stamp set to every customer that shops with me every month, or give a die cutting machine away. But what I can do is try my best to give back something. Now, every customer, irrespective of order value, automatically gets a handmade card from me every month, and I don't write in these cards. So these cards you can use or gift to other people. And in the main, I tend to make regular A6 size cards. Sometimes I might make them slightly smaller, but every customer gets a handmade card. And in July, I've used the Boho Indigo product medley. So these are some of the packages here. And every customer has got a card within their, package. And as I say, I don't write in them, so they can gift them. Some months, depending on how many rewards I can claim. In the past, I've given designer series paper, I've given ribbon, I've given embellishments, I've given dimensionals. Sometimes I make up kits. This particular month, what I've chosen to do is make up a card kit for anybody that shopped with me. So they'll get, as I say, a handmade card that's not written in, that they can gift. And they all come packaged, in like cello bags. This one is already packaged up. You can see all the bits inside it and the card. It's got a label on it telling them what I've used with product numbers in case, they want to purchase anything. But in this kit, for anybody that shopped with me in July, basically what they're going to get is, 4 pieces of card, cut and pre-scored, 4 envelopes. They're going to get 4 pieces of designer series paper, which is all double-sided, to go on the front of the cards if they want to. They're getting a variety of stitched die-cut shapes. They're getting some embossed card. I'm not sure see this, but they're getting embossed card. They're getting a variety of die-cut and embossed leaves. This is all from the Boho Indigo kit. A little flower embellishment, a couple more pieces of the designer series paper. They're getting some ribbon Everything you see here is all from the Boho Indigo kit, apart from the envelopes, but I'm making this kit up for them, and they're going to get an acetate box that they just fold out and pop together, and all these cards will go in the acetate box, so they can make up the cards if they want and put them in the box and gift it, or they can just re-gift the whole package. And as I say, everything is going to come in a cello bag all together, sealed up for them with a label on telling them what's in the package. So that is my gift that the customers will receive in August, but for customers that shopped with me in July using the host code. So I just wanted to show you what I'm sending, but I also wanted to explain about the host code, because you may hear me mention it in videos, and as I say, it's all over the website and it's all over my Stampin' Up shop. And obviously the value of the rewards I can claim depends on the value of the total that customers have spent. So, you know, it's a small percentage of the total value. So, you know, some months it might only be a small gift. I mean, in, you know, some months people have put the code in, but I've not earned the rewards, and I've just, you know, sent out a card and maybe, you know, some chocolate or something like that. So if you can remember to use the code, it is helpful. As I say, if you do use the code and you don't get anything from me the following month, it might just be that the total orders didn't hit the, you know, requirement level. So I hope you found that helpful, and if you do shop with me, I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you for shopping with me and for your continued support, because I do have repeat customers, and it's lovely to know that you are there and that you know, trust me and want to shop with me. So thanks for that anyway, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.